Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck, and in this video I will talk about a Play Store new offer which is now available in my account. Okay, so I have so many accounts and I got so many offers, and now I will talk about the offer. Here you can see, to know the offer you have to go to the account and then you have to go to the reward section. Okay, and after going to the reward section you will find the reward. Okay, and here you can see the reward 60 discount from Play on an app. Okay, just tap on the get reward and here is the details. Okay, here you can see 60 off for app, game or in-app item. Okay, and here you can see it will expire 1/8/20 and it is valid for above 60 rupees purchase. Okay, so this is the main terms and condition of this offer. Okay, and it will expire 1/8/2020 and the purchase will be over 60 rupees. Okay, to get the offer. Okay, now I will show you how to use the offer. Okay, to use the offer, let's go to some trying to buy some paid games. Here you can see, here is GTA, it is over 60 rupees. Okay, let's try to buy this, and here you can see below it is showing rupees 60 discount from Play on an app, game or in-app item. Okay, and now if you tap here you will see the reward. Here you can see it is showing 60 credit from Google, original price 121 rupees. So I have to pay only 61 rupees because 60 credit is going from the offer. Okay, so I have to pay only 61 rupees. So the 60 offer is now going on Play Store. So what you have to do, you have to check your Play Store account, and if you got this, please tell me in the comment section. And I have so many accounts, so I got so many offers, and if you have so many accounts, please check for all the accounts, and if you got this is the best time to use the offer. So you will get 60 discount for an app, game or in-app purchase. Okay, now I will end this video, and if you enjoyed this video and you want videos like this, please make sure and do like this video and also tell me in the comment section. Okay, bye, see you guys in the next video.